Thank you. Just a quick question, Mr. Ratner. I'm interested to hear from, if you wouldn't mind commenting from a small business owner. Clearly, right now, we're very focused on trying to create jobs. Small businesses we're counting on to create most of those jobs, and I just wanted to hear your input on how our treatment of health benefits from a tax perspective impacts your ability to hire people and to grow your business.
It's part of the package. Every time, if there is a mandate, every time there's an added cost to bringing on a new employer, it's one more thing in the liability column when you look at should I hire someone or should I not. So it's not 100% that I'm not going to hire some, but you really have to have a real strong desire or need to hire that person. If it's Metz, you're just not going to hire them. There's no need to. There's too many costs. You know, frankly, what we're going through, I should have said this before, is now instead of hiring new people, we'll just give our regular crew more hours and give them overtime. It's cheaper to pay them overtime than it is to hire new people. So it kills job creation.
I want to allow anybody else that had another comment if they wanted to jump in.
If I could just add a little bit of that too, because I hear a lot of this from my members, the smaller guys. Most of my smaller members compete with big public companies. It's just the way the system is configured. There are large bottlers and small bottlers throughout the country. They often compete with each other. What they tell me basically, the smaller members, because they can't offer the same level of insurance, is they keep losing people to big business. They keep losing people who are good employees and having to go through this cycle of hiring new employees and training them, so it drives up their costs from multiple perspectives. Now, I don't think it should be lost on this committee that the Fortune 500 is companies are engaged in a fairly large-scale job reduction. I mean, it's going to happen when a big public company misses an earnings report. They both have reduced needs for people, but they also have unfortunate incentives to take one-time write-offs and have, large-scale job reductions. And last week, I think the number between 8 companies was over 100,000 job cuts, 9 public companies. And small business does have to scale down its employees when the needs change, but I don't think they have quite the same pattern of behavior in terms of eliminating people because there's an expectation they do so. And that's something that concerns me, I think would concern the members of this committee in Congress.